Hey, Ron and Ananian, the car doctor. We're in the shop today. We're putting a battery, maintenance battery replacement in this 2020 Jeep Wrangler you're going to see behind me in a minute. We called Chrysler because there's always some confusion with Chryslers in terms of what battery does the vehicle take. We gave them the last 8 of the VIN, and they told us that this is a conventional battery and that it does not have an auxiliary stop-start battery, of which you see the replacement about to go in it right here. The interesting thing is the customer's getting a message on the dashboard that the auxiliary battery is not holding a charge any longer and that it's failing, and that the start-stop system has been disabled as a result. So original battery, it's 5 years old. Chrysler, the manufacturer, says it does not have one. Well, I'm going to show you that in a minute. And that they said that this is a conventional battery, yet when we pulled it out, it's a sealed AGM battery. There's the original Chrysler part number. This is the original battery in the vehicle, has not been replaced. And to make matters worse, those are the containers for it. We've pulled the wheelhouse out. There's the auxiliary battery. I mean, that's where I would put it, inside the wheelhouse on the right side. And it's going to have to be replaced. So the vehicle does have an auxiliary battery. Chrysler, the manufacturer, when you call them up to look up parts, they don't even know what they have. Makes you wonder, tells you why they're in the condition they're in. Not everything is as it appears. And some days in the shop, you're spending time researching, trying to verify if components actually exist and where they are on the vehicle. And that's where I would have put it, inside the wheelhouse like that, because there couldn't be any other place that this would actually fit and work. But that's the way they build cars today, folks. I'm Ron Ananian, the car doctor. I'm going to get back to working on this with Danny. We'll see you guys on radio. Be well.
Did you miss this week's full broadcast of Ron Ananian, the car doctor? Or maybe you want to hear certain parts of it all over again. Well, it's easy to do. Once the show airs, it then becomes a podcast. You can find it through all major podcast players and media: iHeartMedia, Google, Amazon Music, Spotify, and so much more. Use your favorite search engine and ask for Ron Ananian Podcast. Watch what happens next. Need more Ron? That's okay. Look for Ron Ananian, available via podcast, wherever podcasts are found.